Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Living life in the game, it gives you money and fame. You can fuck them bitches for days, even smoke them big sticks of hay. But many times life is filled with emotion and drama, enough to make a nigga go and snitch on his mama. It's common for a nigga too, don't say that he snitched, but you left him just the road and hit at Motel 6, cause you's a bitch. You probably end up dead in the ditch. Not incarceration number, it just went up by 6. Now you're calling your mama, baby mama, about that drama. Try to pause like a comma, but situations is trauma. Statements is being read to keep indictments to feds. Now you're shaking cause your homie putting change on your head. Now you can't even hustle, gotta change up your spot. Gotta get up off Adrenal cause you're bound to get popped. You didn't think that snitching would've made you a legend, but you started snitching weekly ever since you was 7. Then again when 11, signed indictment since 9. Even got your little brother doing federal time. Police stations got you shaking worse than plane turbulation. Now you're scared to pump your gas at the Amoco station. Told the feds we've been ballin' ever since we began. Even let them bitches knew we flew to Texas and Jan. Get them police selling numbers even if it don't stand. But the judges gave permission so the evidence stands. Got me feeling bad and even worse doing time. But you should've kept it real and did your own fucking time. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Hey, remember me? I saw you crying in county jail. You had $1 million bum, but yet you're still out on bail. I could see if you was hustling, stacking G's, making ends. Evidently you was snitching cause your money was thin. Now you contact the feds, I put your life on the limb. Now you're snitching on your good connects who got you them in. Shouldn't have to address this problem, but a steady rise in. Cause the chuckers losing balls just because of snitching. Had a homie who was ballin', thought I should check him out. Went the rear from this nigga, now the feds in his house. Tried to jump up out the window, but I still can't get out. If I see him in the pen, he gon' get boxed in his mouth. Had another nigga try to coincide like we're friends. Sent my nigga whipping D and CeeLo up to the bed. Saw me in the holding cell and couldn't look in my face. Cause you sent me up the river, got me catching the case. You're fake, in other words, you're probably sweeter than cake. And the reason that you told us cause of anger and hate. You need to learn your lesson and the moral that's told. Keep away from jealous busters, look like money they fold. Saw you chillin' with your mama, looking sour and sad. Knowing when you hit the streets, it's gonna be off with your ass. Tried to look the other way when hearing all your name. But what the fuck you expect when niggas knew you since the 3rd grade? Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Didn't tell me you was in the county just yesterday, and all you told me that the feds was in Chuck show I should lay. Had a wire and a mic just to record what I say, so the feds won't have to wonder, all they do is push play. Wonder why you didn't laugh when quarter spoons look like slabs. What you did was get a yay and get that bitch right to task. Sent informants who was bold enough to look in my ass, and it's a shame we went to stall and always had the same class. Hit a lick while we was trafficking on that 26. Told them Tampa was the city where we go score them bricks. In the county we gon' catch you while you're jacking your dick. Get a rope and tie your ass up to the rail and just dip. All these snitches got me mad, so I suggest I just split. Watch these busters cause they probably got a badge on their hip. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches. Snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches, snitches is bitches. That's why they always end up in ditches.